Alright, what's going on YouTube? It is Alex from Techrific back again with another video, and right in front of us we have the basic yet good Samsung Galaxy Buds 3. Now in the previous video that we posted just recently, we unboxed and gave a little first impressions on the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, as you guys can see, and I got these in the silver version so that I get the Buds 3 Pro, and I gave you guys my full review in a little TikTok, Instagram, Reel, and YouTube Shorts that is now posted on the social, so make sure to go check that out if you haven't already. But these retail right over here for $209.99 Canadian. They are currently on sale for $159.99 with a 50% discount for a limited time only, and so I decided to pick these up at Best Buy and see if they're worth it. Now I did have another pair of these that I tested out at the gym with the Buds 3 Pro, and I will say that overall the Buds 3 do have decent sound quality for the price. And so today I'm just going to bring you guys a little unboxing and first impressions, a little overview of what comes with the Buds 3. Now straight out of the box they are sealed pretty tightly, so shout out to Samsung for that. And is there an air pocket in this box just like the Buds 3 Pro did? Yes, there is. But anyways, here we are at the top of the Samsung box, as we usually do have a little instruction manual right in here, and we do have that cable. Now obviously, since the Buds 3 is kind of a more budget basic version of the Buds 3 Pro, although we got the silver, the box does come in white instead of the Buds 3 Pro. They came in silver and the box came in black, which keeps the aesthetic going. But since these are premium, all the packaging for the Buds 3 come with white. And so at least the cable does come in black. It would be a big disappointment if it did come in white for a silver case. My apologies, almost knocked down my camera. But here are the Buds 3. So side by side with the Buds 3 Pro, they look exactly the same. Bottom, exactly the same. Back, sides, everything exactly the same. Now the differences are honestly in the guts. Right over here, as for playtime, if you have active noise cancellation off, you have up to 30 hours of playtime, just like on the Buds 3 Pro. But if you have active noise cancellation on, they do have 24 hours instead of the 26 on the Buds 3 Pro. Now one single point to mention is that these do not come with any blade lights, and so on the outside, on the sticks of these earbuds, you're not able to tell if they're on and so forth. You kind of just know by this LED indicator on the case itself. They are IP57 water and dust resistant. They do have that pinch control, swipe, and voice command and so forth. Now they do also have that usual adaptive EQ and active noise cancellation, but unfortunately they do not have any adaptive noise control. If you're looking for that, you need to go to the premium case for the premium feature of adaptive noise control. They do not have voice and siren detect, which Buds 3 Pro do have. And as for the speakers, instead of having an enhanced two-way speaker, it only has a one-way speaker with a single amplifier. Now, out of everything that I just mentioned, they do come in at the same weight of 4.7 grams for the earbuds themselves and 46.5 grams for the case. It does come with Bluetooth version 5.4, which is also pretty nice to see. And so these are the Galaxy Buds 3. Lots of people in the comment section in previous videos wanted a little dive into the Buds 3 and the Buds 3 Pro, just a little unboxing and first impressions as well as my thoughts. Now, which ones would I go for? In all honesty, if you don't care about adaptive noise control and that better sound quality, I would say the Galaxy Buds 3 are a great choice. Other than the unusual white packaging for a silver premium looking case, the Buds 3 do have some really good sound quality, fit in your ears, and gets the job done. Now the pros of the Buds 3 Pro, on the other hand, is the fact that it does have that better sound quality, which I did notice, and adaptive noise control was pretty convenient in the gym. But they're pretty much the same exact looking ones, except with two standout features that, depending on your personal preference and use case, may tie you over the Buds 3 Pro or the simple Buds 3. And so that was kind of my unboxing and first impressions of Samsung Galaxy Buds 3, as well as a little comparison with the Buds 3 Pro. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below, and share your thoughts with the community, and subscribe with notifications on if you haven't already. Let me know what sort of tech content you guys would like to see, and don't worry, we are coming in with a lot of new hot M4 Mac content very shortly. So it's been Alex from Techrific with the Buds 3, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay techy.